Hey everybody, I'm Scott with PK Grills, and this is the new PK Go. This is our camp and tailgate grilling system. It's the smallest PK grill, but it's still very much a PK grill. You know by this capsule-shaped cast aluminum grill body. It's got 2 radial vents on top. It's got 2 lower vent openings down below. These are a little bit different than anything we've ever done before. The main thing here is that these guys allow us to keep all the ash inside the grilling capsule. This thing is very compact. It's easy to carry around, and it's got a fun little trick that I'm about to show you here. So we've got these little locking levers on the side. I'm going to unlock those and then open this up, and we've got a couple extra parts in here. We affectionately refer to this as a dog bowl. It's not really a dog bowl because it's got all these holes in it for heat dispersion, but this is actually a stand for this lid. Just like every other PK grill, the hinge on this lid is cast in, so there's fewer things to rust or break. That allows us to remove the lid, place it in the dog bowl, and then use it as a grill. This is an extra charcoal grate that comes when you buy the PK Go with the flip kit. This is called the flip kit. And then we've got a cast iron, a 2-part cast iron cooking surface that sits right in here like this. And then I'll just replace this cooking surface on this one. Now this grill has a 2-part cooking surface here too. Yours may have a single piece cooking surface. We have a single piece cooking surface too. Both of these are equipped with 2 parts. So anyway, what we've got now is we've got 2 hibachi style PK grills. So that's a great option if you're camping and you decide you need to cook a little extra, you need to cook for a few more people, you're at the tailgate, some unexpected friends show up, flip it over and cook it on. So let me put this thing back together and I'm going to show you how easy it is. Lock that side, load it up in the car. This is the PK Go Camp and Tailgate Grilling System from PK Grills. Do you want to see me cook something on this? Is there a technique you'd like to learn? Would you like to see me do something on a PK 360 or an original PK? I'm game. Tell me in the comments what you want to see next week, and we're going to shoot it right here and we're going to show it to you.